Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Just wanted to share with you a phenomenal product that I believe will save you hundreds of dollars and prolong the life of your body. RC Body Armor. It's pretty much this tubing that goes around the bottom and the contoured edges of the body, and it helps prevent it from cracking. Now, just a note, I am not sponsored by RC Body Armor. However, I always stand behind companies, products, and people that are just outstanding and stuff that works. So I know Brent's going to give me a little bit of hell for the dragon skin setup on these two bodies, but hey, you know what? It works. Thank you, bud. Appreciate this phenomenal product that has honestly lasted made my bodies last so much longer. So this is a newer body. This is my natural body for my TLR 8X 2.0. I just mounted up some of this RC Body Armor. If you go to rcbodyarmor.com, you can buy it in different lengths. So pretty much you would cut it. The quickest way to do this is, there is no quick way. Make sure you get the glue tips, the needle glue tips. You will need that. A good glue. I use the Loctite, the red bottle. That stuff works. So pretty much make sure you also round the edges, because obviously this will have like a 90-degree corner. So you want to just make sure that these are rounded, so that it makes the installation for the body armor a lot easier. And then you just go a little bit piece by piece, laying in some glue and then wiping off the excess. So RC Body Armor also has what's called the dragon skin, which is pretty much this mesh tape. It helps prevent, I put it on the high stress places. Brent prefers that you do the whole inside of the body, but I try not to, and I really don't have that much patience to sit there and do the whole body. So I do the stress, the high important stress marks. You can also use fiberglass tape with some shoe glue. It is also recommended that you go over the body armor in the high stress places with shoe glue as well. And pretty much, so I mean, it lasts pretty long. I have this body here. This is my truggy body. This thing has taken a beating. It's over 2 years old, and you know, obviously it's cracking in places where there is no armor and stuff like that. But it's okay, and this is my fault. Yes, I didn't cut it to length correctly. See, this one has a little bit more of the dragon skin there, so shameless plug. But yeah, definitely highly recommend it. Again, this body is over 2 years old, and I'm still gonna run it. Screw it. You know, this right here don't bother me. That's normal fatigue. But yeah, definitely check it out. Even for the bashers, definitely save those Traxxas bodies. I know you guys be pounding on those things, so definitely hit up RC Body Armor. Link will be down below in the description. Have a good one.